Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make this gasket that you can see on the screen. So let's begin. First select the plane, click on the sketch, change the view orientation and start drawing. First we will draw the hexagon. So let's do it. Now we will select the top of the hexagon with this tool and attach it to the y-axis. Alright, now what we need is to give it some dimensions. So let's begin. Let's give the outer dimension that we can check out on our engineering drawing at 106. Now we will draw some support lines from the center to the edges of the hexagon, on which we later will place the circles. So we are placing them, and now we will add the circles on all of them, including the y-axis. Now we will make them equal to one another, and we will draw another support circle on which we will place all of those little ones. Now, the only thing left is to change those little circles from a construction lines, so a support line, to the actual lines, that is will be visible to our extruder. Okay, and then we need to draw another inner circle, as we can see on our engineering drawing, with a diameter of 90 millimeters. Here we go. Now what we need to do is to extrude it with a thickness of the 1 millimeter. Thank you and have a great day.